In the previous video, you saw the pictorial representation of the backlog. So what you saw is two epics. One is organize email and manage email. Under each epic, you have multiple stories, and uh, the relationship of each user story may be different with the parent. So this is the representation of how the user stories are related to each other. One more thing over here we see is uh, I mean what all user stories are there in the release 1.0, 2.0, etc. So with this pictorial picture, you get a good representation what all user stories are there under one epic, what are there in the release 1.0, release 0.20, etc. And moving forward, you can also know what all user stories are finished, what are remaining. So this pictorial representation is a good source to see where we are to in terms of the progress on the entire backlog. However, the default way of working is working with the flat backlog, and in this video we will see how this pictorial representation is captured into the flat backlog. So this is actually a screen of Jira, and currently we have a demo project which is called HEX demo. So I created a project which is a Scrum project. After I create that project, I come to this screen. On this screen you see multiple things. On the left hand side you see versions. Secondly, you see the epics, and then you see the backlog. When you talk about the versions, you can map them to the releases. Releases are nothing but the bundle of multiple features or multiple iterations to go into the production. And epics are, yeah, I mean, you can call them the bigger user stories. And then we have our user stories underneath, and that you call as the backlog. If you want to create a version, you just simply click on the create version, and then you may define the start date or release date, but you can change it later as well. So that is the way I have created three versions: release 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. Similarly, epics, you can click on the create epic link, and then uh, you can create a epic name, for example create email, but this is not the actual name of the epic, but I'm just giving the example. And that way you can create multiple epics. Each epic may contain multiple user stories. Again, from agile point of view, I would say that the user stories can be broken to nth level, and we cannot demarcate that they will be just limited to one level. So currently, under one epic you see multiple user stories. Under manage email you see all these user stories. So if you look at versions and epics and the backlog combination, it may seem that versions uh, versions epics are somewhat related. So it may look like the version contains epics and epics contain backlog, but that may not be entirely true. Versions and epics are independent, and definitely epics will contain backlog or user stories underneath. So uh, what it means is that under one epic there can be some user stories which are part of release 2.0, fine, and there may be some user stories which are part of the release 3.0. So one epic may lie into multiple releases or multiple sprints. So now, as we have the understanding about the epics and versions, let's try to see how this backlog, with this backlog, how we can create the sprints. So this we will capture into in a next video. Thanks for watching this one.